This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious brown stew chicken. First, select about 2.5 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken, like thighs and drumsticks. Marinate these pieces for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally overnight, in a vibrant mix of scallions, thyme, garlic, ginger, and a tablespoon of browning sauce. This crucial step infuses the chicken with deep flavor and helps achieve that rich, dark hue we all love. Once your chicken is beautifully marinated, it's time to achieve that perfect sear. Heat about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Carefully place the chicken pieces in the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Sear each side for about 3 to 4 minutes until they develop a rich, golden brown crust. This browning locks in the juices and builds the foundation of our stew's flavor. With the chicken seared and set aside, let's build our incredible stew base. In the same pot, add 1 chopped onion, 1 bell pepper, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 minutes until softened. Then, pour in about 1 cup of chicken broth, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Stir in 1 diced tomato, a few pimento berries, and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that signature kick. Now it's time for the magic to happen. Carefully return all the seared chicken pieces to the pot, nestling them into the rich, aromatic sauce. Bring the stew to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour. The chicken will become incredibly tender, and the sauce will thicken beautifully. Taste and adjust seasonings, then serve your delicious brown stewed chicken hot with your favorite sides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.